Yo, CBMG, hey girl, come sit down, money jockey and ride. Shift your jaws, I'ma sip it inside. Bounce the peg, let me see you one side. Bend your back, get spread your legs, why you like brawling? She want fuck from night till the morning. You's a good girl, but who ain't you calling?
If you was single, Roma, and text songs brace you for a jam, you giving text songs the cat?
No.
Fucking like this.
No.
Roma, it's a people will go and pull up your old videos where you say it.
Roma, you fucking lie.
No, man.
No.
Manage. You have a Bible there?
Let me
You have a Bible? Bring a Bible for me, please. You must have an Old Testament there. You must have an Old Testament behind
I
it.
have a fucking
Watch
Bible
Roma eye now. Watch Roma eye.
Must have some kind of Old Testament or something there, man.
You could use
Hey.
a virtual Bible.
Hey, nah.
Roma
You have
down
something
for
there.
dirt.
Nah.
Roma
We'll use a
down for
virtual
dirt.
I
We're using a virtual Bible.
pull up the Bible.
Virtual.
Putting it on Psalms
Put your hand on that Bible.
Psalms 121.
Oh,
No.
Noah.
Noah.
No fucking
I will
one.
not believe him.
If
Did
you're
you?
what? If you're single?
just now.
If you're single, whatever,
Just now,
no.
did you?
I wanted to say
fucking
something,
lie.
no, but it could be not for the podcast, no.
Talk now.
You
Talk
see
your
this kind
talk.
of topic here? No.
Talk it
I,
up.
my blood very close to my skin, no. Yeah,
So
yeah,
you say you
careful,
down there,
nah.
huh? That is
Yeah,
why.
for
That is
now.
why, Roma. You cannot tell me
She would get text songs at you.
you're not giving. You in a party, Roma. You single. You under your rude boy. I text us with the mic. I text us with the telling you, I go bull you.
I'll go pull you.
I go bull you.
And I'll go pull you raw.
You have time.
But Roma, you real fucking hot, boy.
So Roma, alright, you sit down in the room and you're watching text songs job. And you say, Roma, I want to come on your face, girl. You will let him come on you. Or come on your face or come anywhere thereof.
Yeah.
Nasty mother.
See, that's going on your
And she
knees.
said, she go, what's that? This woman, this day. Oh God, she nasty, man.
See, that's good on your knees.
And then come on here. And it's like comments, come all over.
You see you? Relax.
Nah, you know. He will let him.
I find you coming closer.
I come to the conclusion. I come to the conclusion, Roma, real fucking hot. That mooning thing is no
Kicks.
yeah, I don't know kicks.
Right,
Roma.
serious thing. She is more
hot
for
for
who she
real.
want. And you ain't gonna give her a bull?
Ah.
Look.
Roma.